Guys, this is some kind of cycle, you know. I have no interest, but this caught my eyes, so I thought of taking it for a ride. So this is one of my brother's cycle, and it's a fat tire. Just look at the tire, man. Just look at the tire, and this freaking thing costs something around 25,000. Okay, let's ride it. Dude, I'm pathetic in cycling. Oh my god. Oops, it's fun. Yeah, baby. It's fun. Okay, something is happening. Yes, something was happening. Something is happening, and it's much more easy to ride now. I don't know what happened, but I'm feeling so easy to ride again. कहाँ से कहाँ तक आ गया मैं साइकिल चला के. People will be freaking out. I'm wearing a big helmet. I'm riding this cycle, man. It's fun. He's saying it's a BMW. I don't know how much BMW is it, but it's fun, man. हाँ? कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ, ये राइड टेस्ट राइड हो रहा है. And कुछ गियरिंग सिस्टम है इसमें यार, पता नहीं मुझे कुछ. I have no idea actually. Something of this sort. I'll show you another time how this looks. This is how the cycle looks. It's some 7 inches tires, maybe 7 or 5. I have not too much into the technical specs of the cycles and all. It's 4 inches, yes, 26 into 4 inches tire, I guess. And front and back disc brakes. Wow, thing you can see. Okay, you can see the speed also over here. I didn't notice. The speed can be seen here. It's a fun cycle, man. I'm out of breath, man. You can understand my fitness level. Okay, I'll go back, man. Cycle is not my thing. No, I was always thinking to check out these kind of cycles because I liked it when people used to ride these bicycles. And thought, okay, kabhi agar lena hoga. But abhi samajh liya, yes, I do like it, but it's not my thing. I am way too old for riding cycles and all. चलाएंगे कभी बाद में. But it's fun. It's effortless. You can really go far off distance, and so you can travel the whole city in this one if you are fit enough. It's heavy with the big tires and all, but you won't be feeling so much of the heaviness. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm going wrong way because अगर right way जाना होगा तो I have to go around 4 kilometers, and with this I can't ride 4 kilometers. अरे ये तो मज़ा आ गया मुझे, इतना दिन बाद, इतना सालों बाद एक्चुअली. क्या बोलते हो भाई, ले लो क्या? People are watching me. What kind of a freak is he? He's wearing this big helmet and riding a cycle. Anyways, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. And it's the first bicycle ride I had in years, but I enjoyed it. It is a bit hard work for me at least. इसमें gears वगैरह है, फिर भी it's hard work for me, man. 6x3 I guess, or 7 speed, 7x3 levels, 21 gears on either side maybe. That's what I guess. I'm not too much into the technical specifications of these bikes, so I'm tired. Guys, let me know how you like this small special vlog of this cycle, this fat tire cycle. And if you like what we do, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Automania. As I always say, for your helmets when you're riding, for your seatbelts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Bhushan Manajji. You are watching Automania. This is the fat tire cycle. Signing off. Tata.